Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and this is the 11th and final episode regarding the basics of Git and GitHub. If you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out my new tutorials. So last time we added a new branch in GitHub and today we'll learn about cloning, forking and contributing to other projects. So, in order to clone the GitHub project, we need a repository. For now, let's use this repository about React.js. So, click on Code and copy this link. Then you can create a new folder in desktop and call it React Demo. You can then open this folder. Right click and click on Git Bash here. Now to clone it, you can use git clone and paste the link that you have copied. Enter. We can then see all of the files, folders, commit history, git history, everything in my computer, but I won't be able to push my changes. It is because it would be crazy if someone put the open source project in the GitHub and anybody could change it without your permission. As you saw in my previous session, I had to give Code with Vivek collaborator access to allow him to push code directly in my repository. So, in this case, if I want to make some changes, then I can try to contribute to this repository. What I need to do is make a pull request, and workflow to do so is a bit different. What we do is, we actually fork this repository by clicking on this fork button. This makes your own copy on your GitHub, so you have the permission to make any changes in your version. Once you make the changes, you can then push it in your own version in your fork, and you can make a request to the repository owner, for example. You can also write some description while making a request, and they can either reject it or approve and merge it. Now, let's see some demo. So first, open and fork this repository. You can now see this is forked from the original creator, and this is just a test repository with just index and CSS file. To clone this repository, you can copy this link. Then you can create another folder in desktop. This time I will just call it demo. Right click and click on Git Bash here. Then you can type git clone and paste the link that you have copied. Now let's make some changes. So you can open your CSS file, and for the time being I will add a black background over here. You can then open your Git Bash and get inside the folder using cd space spoon, and then you can add all the file that you have modified. Let's check the status quickly, and now it is ready for commit. So you can use git commit -m and some message. I will call it black background added. Now let's push these changes using git push -u origin, and this time since our branch name is main, we have to type main over here. You can now refresh the site and you should see one commit over here saying black background added. So at this stage, we haven't changed anything in the original repository. We just modified our fork. If I want to propose this change, I can click on this pull request. Now I'm redirected to this original repository and not in my fork. So here I can compare the changes that I have made, which is adding this black background. Once happy, I can click on this create pull request. I can also add my comments over here explaining what the commit is about, why I am contributing. Then again, click on this create pull request button and then we just wait. Hopefully it gets accepted, and if it is, then our new changes would be part of the repository. If not, that change is still in our fork as we are just making some suggestion. This is the end of this final session. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Finally, thank you so much for choosing my YouTube channel to learn Git and GitHub. I will see you again next time with the next course. Also, if you want some hosting companies, then you can check the link in the description below. Thank you and all the best.